Hello, it's Scott and Cheryl again.
Oakwater Outdoors.
Day number 2 of the big freeze here in North Texas. So we thought we'd get the side-by-side out and go for some rides and get some cool clips this way.
It's currently, 12 degrees with feels like temperature of 2.
So pretty cold in North Texas. So hopefully we get some good footage that you will enjoy and some antics with the bike out on this.
Very good. Mine's not full coverage. Well, that was fun. It is chilly, so we're not going to have to be able to do too many more rides here. No, I'm freezing already.
All right, hope you enjoy it.